Cahoots meaning. Cahoots is used as in cahoots with. In cahoots with meaning to work together with another person or a number of people to gain some illegal purpose, some unethical or immoral purpose, to collaborate secretly to gain some illegal purpose. The oil distribution companies were working in cahoots to keep petrol prices higher. Foreign agencies were in cahoots with terrorist organizations to overthrow the government. Police was working in cahoots with thieves to help them out in robbery. It's almost always used as in cahoots with, however, a rare use is also as go cahoots. That means to go in partnership. They went cahoots on a new restaurant. So, cahoots to describe people or groups working together and making plans together in secret for some unethical, immoral, or illegal purpose. Acting together with others for an illegal or dishonest purpose. Used as noun, fraud can be nearly impossible to detect whenever two law firm insiders are in cahoots. A banker and a government minister were in cahoots over a property deal. Etymology. Cahoot has been derived from French cahoot, which itself is a combination of cabin or hut, suggesting the notion of the two or more people hidden away, working together in secret, sitting in a hut. However, a second point of view about its etymology, as suggested by Bartlett, says that it's just a corruption of the word cohort, which we will see in the same video at the end, and it exists in both French, Spanish, and currently in English as well. Mnemonic. To memorize this word, just envisage two people or two criminals planning inside a hut or a cabin, as we have seen in its etymology. A cabin formed by a hut, and it's providing a shelter to criminals for some illegal planning, gives the notion of working in cahoots. Now see another word of almost same connotation, collude, which means to work together secretly or illegally in order to trick other people, in order to deceive people, act in unison or agreement, and in secret towards a deceitful or illegal purpose. It has also almost the same sense, that is working together to gain some illegal purpose, secretly to have some secret agreement. When I was younger, I used to collude with my younger brother to steal extra meal from fridge. It is used as verb. Several people had colluded in the murder. It was suspected that the police had colluded with the witness.
Etymology Latin word colludere, meaning have a secret agreement, a combination of call, meaning together, and ludere, meaning to play.
Mnemonic. To memorize this word collusion, which is the noun of collude, split as collectively delusion. To delude somebody collectively by working in partnership makes collusion. Now, in cahoots with and collude, both words sound similar. However, there is a slight difference between these two words. First difference is the level of formality. In cahoots with is slightly less formal than collude. And second difference is in terms of the longevity of the relationship. In cahoots with is a longer relationship. When two companies or two persons are working in cahoots with, they have formed this relationship on a longer terms, and on long-term interests and purposes. While when two people are colluding with each other, it is often a temporary relationship. Now see the word cohort, which we saw in the etymology of the word in cahoots with. It's just simply a group of people which share some common characteristics, like most often it's the age of people, a number of people of the same age, or a number of people working in the same company. Please note that it is different from in cahoots with and collude in the sense that it doesn't include in itself the sense of working illegally, working together to gain some illegal purpose. So, cohort, a company of companions or supporters, a group of people having approximately the same age, a band of warriors, originally a unit of Roman legion. It is used as noun. The police arrested the gang's leader and his cohorts. All that is left for a man with only an aging cohort of supporters is to rant. Etymology and its origin, it's from Latin cohorts yard, which meant company of soldiers, later to hortus garden, and it still retains its original sense, that is a group of soldiers, a group of people having same profession, having same characteristics, having same demographics. Now see its mnemonic, split cohort as cohorts. When people go to wars, they share their horses, they share their equipment, and they are like same team. Cohort is also like cohabit or to inhabit at a same place. Thank you very much.